I'm Rosie Aiello with the Love is Kind Network. I work with women who have emerged from narcissistic, toxic, abusive, controlling relationships to help them reclaim their voice, their value, their confidence and courage so they can create a productive and joyous life that they desire. And why is it Love is Kind? Because I tell every single woman I meet that you deserve to be treated with kindness. And it starts by being kind to yourself, and that real love is kind, not terrorizing. It was like it was going to be mine, and that nobody could just take it. And I just felt like it elevated everything in my business doing that. And now when I tell people I'm trademarked, it's like, wow, you're trademarked. And I've seen this picture, the certificate. It was to protect that mark and to protect the work that I'm doing. I have the love, and what I loved what you shared, or your team, which is a great team, is you just trademark the key words. You don't trademark you don't trademark network. It's just that. So I have the Love is Kind Network. I have the Love is Kind movement. I have National Love is Kind Day. I have Love is Kind everywhere. I've got it on my cup. Got Love is Kind here, and I've got it on my keychain. I'm surrounded by Love is Kind. It's a word that means so much to me. But I wanted to share it with the world, really. This is about sharing the kindness that, to me, the world will improve when my mission is to impact 100 million women, to release the shackles of abuse, and to help them believe that they deserve to be treated with kindness, and to create kinder intimate relationships, that we create kinder families, that we create kinder communities and a kinder world. First it comes in this blue packet, right? The blue. So I knew what it was. And it's like, I can't open it now. I got to wait till it's a really special time and I can devote. It wasn't like I just wanted to open like I opened up any piece of mail. I wasn't like that. I wanted 100% of my attention on this thing because it was like, oh my God, it's here, And so I did. I waited till a moment when I had full attention. I wasn't stressed. I wasn't pressed. And I opened it up, and it's, I don't know, you could just get all emotional about it. It's weird. It's a very emotional thing. And then, I had pictures taken, and then I had a celebration with even in COVID, we were all vaccinated, but, celebration with some of my close family, our friends. It was a special moment. I was giddy like a little girl and proud and everything. It was exactly like you said, in what you talked about. I mean, you guys were there the whole way. I mean, it's a whole team effort, and I felt supported every time. I worked a lot with Amanda, and I must have asked her the same question at least 10 times. She gave me the answer, but I couldn't remember it because it was just the legalese. But she just was just kind and just kept reminding me. And it was like, no question, no matter how many times I asked the question or asked a question or whatever it was I got answers right away. It was never a problem. The service was fast. And my trademark was not that easy. That name was not that easy to mark. I mean, to me, that was another sign that this needed to be done, because I think it's a miracle, truly, that this got trademarked. Because if most people know, part of this, Love is Kind, is also a very famous term in the Bible. And I thought, oh my God, I trademarked something that's from the Bible. So the fact that I know you guys had to do several iterations, I don't know all the technical part, but I know I was on this side. But it's like, we're getting there. And I go, how's the trademark going? And like, we're there. And then we got one step and then another step. And the team was just great. I know there's probably people who get their trademarks, it's less expensive. I don't even know the prices. I'm kind of a quality person, and the service really matters to me. And the fact that you're going to be in my back pocket for the rest of my life, I feel really good about that. I really do. That matters to me. It's not just a transaction. I really felt that the relationship and the support by Trademark Factory. I was scared in the beginning of doing this, like, oh, did I did I make a mistake, especially when it was taking so long and maybe I can't do it? But there was a guarantee. I mean, it was always a win-win. It just, the team is really good. If you're serious about your business and about your mission and about your work, trademarking your brand is just another element to solidify who you are and raise you up. I sort of already said the reason I think you should go with Trademark Factory is just, it's the whole team is there. They followed up. They were there. They answered every single question. They just kept going after it when it was rejected, or whatever the trademark office does. They were back on it. They said, we've got you, don't worry, we've got you. And I don't know, I would say at least a half a dozen from your team had contacted me, just reassuring me. It's just knowing that everything is always going to be covered. I never had a question that they couldn't answer, didn't answer, or I had to wait a week to answer or whatever. They were usually pretty prompt. So yeah, I think it was pretty friggin' amazing. It was a miracle. To me, it was like a miracle.